Okay, well, my name is Pepper, and what's your name?
SEO.
All right, so we're going to play some games. And first off, this is the first game. Really cool game. We're going to look at these two glasses of water. It's pretty blue water. Would you say that these two glasses have the same amount of water?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this glass. All right, now, would you say that these two glasses have the same amount of water? They do? Why do you think they have the same amount of water? Why? Just yes? Just yes? Okay. That's acceptable. We'll take that. So, now, so you wouldn't say, would you say that either of these glasses has more water than the other glass? Which one has more? No, just pick one. That one has more? Why does it have more?
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, that's good enough. Well, thank you. My name is Pepper Ginder, and this is
Brayden.
Brayden. How old are you?
8.
Okay, Brayden, we're going to play some games.
Yay!
First of all, we're going to have that's water, and that's water. All right. Do both of these glasses have the same amount of water in them?
No. If you look at them very carefully, this one actually has a bit more.
You're right, it does. Let's fix that.
Okay,
All right.
now they're equal.
Okay. Now, do both of these glasses have the same amount of liquid in them?
No. Yes. They're little water drops, so that counted.
Do both of these glasses have approximately the same amount of water in them?
Yes.
Okay. All right, now, do these two glasses have the same amount of liquid in them?
Yes, because even though it looks taller, that one is wider, so it can hold basically the same amount. Learned that in like first grade.
Well, thank you, Brayden. Okay, here's our new game. Got 2 balls of Play-Doh. Would you say that these balls of Play-Doh are the same size?
Yeah.
They are? Okay. Now, I'm going to take this ball of Play-Doh. All right. Now, would you say that this Play-Doh and this Play-Doh is the same size? It is? Why is it the same size?
I don't want to.
Okay, so what if I do this? Is this Play-Doh and this Play-Doh the same size?
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah.
Well, that's very good. Thank you so much. All right, Brayden, welcome back. Now, we're going to play a different game.
Okay.
Will you please tell me if both of these balls of Play-Doh have the same amount?
Yep.
All right, now, do these two have the same amount? Which one? Oh, why do you think they have the same amount?
Because just like the water bottles, they may look a bit different, but they still could be the same.
Very good. Thank you so much, Brayden. All right. look easier. We got some cool pieces of paper. I want you to put them in size order for me. Can you put them in size from smallest to largest piece? Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Just lay them out on the table however you want. However they're supposed to go. Y'all done?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you. Now here we have some strips of paper. Time for another game.
Yeah.
Your job is to take these strips and put them in order. Some of them are long and some of them are short. Can you fix them for me?
Sure. Let's see. How do you want me to put them in order? Shortest to longest? Or
Yes.
one of the shortest? Shortest to longest?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, flat out so we can see all of them next to each other.
Guess it to go like this, right? And a pyramid shape.
You did a great job, Braden. Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, here's another fun game. Look, I've got some really cool coins here. These are called half dollars. It's for 50 cents. All right, now, can you tell me how many are in this row?
Yeah. 2, 3, 9, 10, 3.
Awesome! And how many are in this row?
1, 2, 3, 9, 10.
Okay. Now, is this row the same size as this row?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, now what if I do this? Now, is this row the same as this row? Nope. Which one has more, do you think? This one or this one?
Done.
That one has more? All right. The game.
Woohoo!
We get to play coins this time.
Sweet. And don't be worried, I'm not gonna eat them unless I'm not that young.
Okay. Can you tell me if both of these rows of coins have the same number of coins in them?
Yes.
Will you help me count how many are in each row?
Sure. I know a faster way. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Okay, that's total amount. I want to know how many are in this row and how many are in this row, please.
Oh, well, half of 10 is 5, so. And also, if you take off 2, you'll have 3, and 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Thank you,
So
Brayden.
that's how I know.
Now watch this.
Huh?
So now, do these two rows have the same?
Yes.
Why do you think the rows have the same number of coins?
Even though you spread them out, they're still there, right? So that means that they're the same amount.
That is very true. Thank you so much, Braden.
Okay.
Okay, now, can you tell me what these are?
Dogs.
All right, and what are these?
Cats.
Can you count the dogs for me?
2, 3, 9, 10.
All right, I'm going to help you count the dogs. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doggies. And there's 1, 2, 3 cats. All right? Now, would you say that there are more dogs than there are cats?
Dogs and cats.
And would you say there are more dogs
And
or
more
more
dogs.
animals? Are there more doggies or more animals?
Dogs and more animals.
More dogs and animals?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, Braden, this is our last game. I have a question for you. Are there more dogs or are there more cats?
More dogs.
Okay. Can you count the dogs?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, now can you count the cats?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so are there more dogs or more cats?
More dogs, because 7 is higher than 3.
All right. Now, are there more dogs or more animals?
More animals.
And why are there more animals than there are dogs?
Because cats are animals, and if you add the cats to the dogs, that equals 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Thank you so much for your help today, Brayton. I appreciate
Okay.
it. And our last question, it doesn't involve the paper or anything, but do you know that there are hungry people in the world?
Yeah.
People that don't get any food and they're living in really bad situations, right? What would you do to feed those hungry people?
Some nuggets.
Say one sandwich? Are you going to make the sandwich?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for your help. You've been a wonderful, wonderful interviewee. Now, Braden, I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
But first, did you know that there are a lot of people in this world that don't get enough to eat and are really hungry all the time?
Yeah.
How would you make sure that nobody in the world is ever hungry again?
I'd make a big kind of machine that whenever it senses whenever someone's hungry, and it just gives them an apple or something different, like drink, anything.
And then how would you make that machine?
I don't know. Well, first I'd become a mayor of a city, then ask a bunch of people to help me, and I just make it.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Braden. That was a wonderful, wonderful answer.